Hi there. Today I want to talk about the headphone. The headphone, spelled Hedd phone, is a headphone made by Hedd Audio that has gotten a lot of attention this year due to its unique driver technology and high sound quality, especially for the price point. I don't know about you, but I really like the sound of the headphone. I have listened to Odyssey headphones and I listened to the Beyerdynamic Tesla T1 headphone for a while, and after getting this headphone I haven't looked back since. But there's one real flaw that a lot of people who review this headphone bring up. It has nothing to do with the sound quality. The major flaw with this headphone is actually the comfort. People say that they can't really wear it for more than an hour or so before their head starts to hurt. Most people whom I've heard talking about the comfort of this headphone attribute the discomfort to the weight of the headphone. But I would disagree because although it's quite heavy, it's actually similar in weight to the Odyssey headphones, and those weren't anywhere near as uncomfortable. So that got me thinking about what is it that makes these headphones uncomfortable. And after thinking about it and trying something out, I realized what the problem was. It has to do with the way the headphone band is designed. The way it is designed, it actually concentrates almost all of the weight of the headphone on the center of your head, causing that part to ache after just 30 minutes or so. This is for two reasons. The first reason is because the headphone band itself has a very wide arch, and so it doesn't wrap around the head but instead contacts the head only in the center. The second problem with the design is that it doesn't use the strap type of design that evenly distributes the weight of the headphone on your head. What I'm talking about is the design shown here that Odyssey has adopted in recent models. It is a significant improvement in comfort level than the previous design Odyssey had. So keeping this in mind, I came up with the solution to the comfort problem. My solution is a leather headphone strap that actually attaches to the headphone itself. There are two screws on either side of the headphone, and the headphone strap that I designed attaches to the headphone at these locations. It requires minimal assembly, and as I'm about to show you, doesn't require destructive modification of the headphone, other than just removing two screws and putting two screws in there again. The objective of the headphone strap that I designed is to improve the comfort of the headphone by evenly distributing the weight of the headphone across your head, much like the newer Odyssey headphones do. Both ends of the headphone strap have a few different sets of holes that you can choose when attaching the headphone strap to the headphone. This allows the headphone strap to work for different head sizes, since the strap length can be adjusted in this way. The strap also has a cutout to indicate which side is the left side and which side is the right side, since the strap will cover up those indicators on the headphone. Shown here, after I adjust the strap length by just one row on one side, the fit improves and there is less wasted space under the headband arch. I am selling this headphone strap as a kit on eBay that includes the headphone strap, the 4 screws you need, and an extra screw in case you lose one. Installation is very simple and easy, however it requires a Phillips screwdriver, which is not included. To install it, you first remove the screws on either side of the headphone. Then you screw in the screws that came with the kit into the headphone strap in the desired set of holes. Lastly, you just screw these back into the headphone on either side, taking care to match the arm with the right side and vice versa for the left side. You may have to iterate a bit on which set of holes you choose to get the right fit depending on your head size. When you are doing this, it may help to look in the mirror. Choose whichever set is most comfortable for you. A link for the headphone strap kit is in the description if you are interested. I do accept returns on this item if you are not satisfied with your purchase. I understand this may not work for everyone and I don't expect it to, but it is worth a shot if you are considering the headphone or already have one and maybe want to see if you can improve the comfort level. It definitely worked for me and I'm able to use my headphone now for hours at a time. The headphone really is a great headphone, and it is a pity that designers messed up a bit on the comfort part, but hopefully this helps. Let me know your thoughts on the headphone strap in the comments below, especially if you end up actually trying it out. Thanks for watching.